So these are the things that you should do immediately after uploading your videos. You know, most of us new creators, we just upload our videos and just disappear and leave YouTube to do the rest of the part, but that's not how it works. So in this video, I'll be explaining step by step on what you should do after uploading your videos to help your video get a very good push by the algorithm, to help your video reach more viewers, and in return you get more views, which will also increase your watch hours. So please watch this video until the end, and I believe that your videos will never be the same again. So let's get right into the video. And the first thing that I want to talk about is immediately after you upload your videos, please don't disappear. Just go back and watch your video and make sure that you watch it from beginning to the end. And as you watch your video, please write a comment and make it engaging. And also make sure that you pin that comment, and also don't forget to like the video. So another thing that you should do as you watch your video is go to your description and scroll down to where it's written show transcript. Copy the transcript and go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. This is my video transcript. Please give me an SEO video chapter block for my video, and make sure that it has so many keywords that will help my video rank both on Google and on YouTube. And ChatGPT will do exactly that. And you should now take the video chapters, go to your YouTube studio, go to content, click on the pencil icon on the video that you just uploaded. This is for you to edit the video and add the video chapters. So go to the description of the video and add the video chapters. This is what I do as I watch my video. So the video chapters will help Google to index your video. And this means that your video can rank high on both Google and YouTube. For example, if someone searches for something on Google and just a segment of your video chapter has talked about the topic, then Google can recommend your video, just the segment of your video, to that person, which is good for your YouTube video. And another thing that video chapters help in is if a person comes to your video and they don't like the entire video, then they can skip to those parts which are relevant to them instead of just leaving your video. So the next thing that you should do as you watch your video is add subtitles to your video. And subtitles will help YouTube understand your video better, and it also helps those viewers with hearing difficulties to understand your video better. So it's always good to add subtitles or captions to your video. So what helps me do this better is I've installed VidIQ on my laptop. So as you watch your video, you can go to the transcript, and just above the transcript you can see this VidIQ feature that says copy transcript. Just click on that copy transcript and go to your YouTube studio and click on add subtitles and paste the subtitles. Then click on edit timings and click on done. And finally your video has subtitles or captions, which is very good for the algorithm. So after you're done watching the video yourself, you've added a pinned comment, you've added video chapters, you've added the subtitles, and you've left a like. Then now you can watch your video from a second channel. And I believe that most of the YouTubers have got 2 or more channels. And if you don't have any, I'd recommend that you open another channel and use the other channel from a different gadget, maybe another mobile phone, a laptop or a TV, to watch the video. And make sure that you also watch the video until the end. Leave a like and leave a comment. And after you're done watching the video from your other channel or your other channels, now you can tell a friend or a family member to watch the video from the beginning to the end, and also leave a like and leave a comment. And the best thing that they should do is go to their homepage, and because they are your subscribers, then YouTube will have recommended the video, and that's where they should find the video and watch it from YouTube recommendations. So don't share the link to them, because you'll start training the algorithm that whenever you upload a video, it should not like market the video for you. It should wait for you to share the links, which is not a good thing. So one thing that you should understand about the algorithm is whenever a new video is uploaded, it's always watching like how people are reacting to the video, how people are engaging as they watch or after watching the video, and if people are watching the video from beginning to the end. So whenever you watch your video from beginning to the end, you watch it from your other account, you watch it from a friend or a relative's account, always watch it from beginning to the end, leave comments and like the video. That immediately sends a good signal to the algorithm that your video is good and your video is engaging, and it starts pushing the video to more people, which will in return increase your views and your watch hours. So another thing that you should never ignore after uploading your video is responding to comments. Please always go back to your YouTube studio and respond to all the comments. Always keep on going back to your YouTube studio, and this can make even new viewers see that you always respond to comments, and whenever they have a question they will ask, because they know that you will obviously respond to. So these are very good thing, and it also shows the algorithm that your video and your comment section is active. So another thing that you should immediately do after uploading a video is write a good and engaging community post. And even if you have 20 or less subscribers, like half of them might miss the video notification, but they might see this community post. And please make sure that in your community post, you paste the link to your recent video. And this is to make sure that those people who missed the video can now watch it through your community post. So always write an engaging community post and make sure that you post your link somewhere in the post. So another thing that's very important is remixing your video into shorts. And this will also help your video get more views, because as you know, shorts always get more views than long form content. And so immediately after you upload your video, remix your video into shorts. Maybe you can create like 3 to 5 shorts, and if your video is longer, then you can create 8 to 15 shorts and schedule your shorts maybe 2 to 3 days apart. But make sure that the first short is uploaded or scheduled a day after you've uploaded your video. So this way you're helping your video get to more people, because shorts viewers are different from long form content viewers. And please make sure that whenever you upload your shorts, you link back to your long form video. And another thing, always upload your shorts during your audience peak hours to help it get more views. And also never upload shorts daily, because you'll start confusing the algorithm, and it will start seeing like your channel is mostly about shorts, and it will start prioritizing your shorts more than the long form content. And now after you're done doing all this, please give your video time to rest, like 1 to 2 hours, before cross-posting your video to different social media accounts, and also before sharing the link to more people. So please give the algorithm time to like market your videos, send it to your subscribers and do its recommendations. Because if you upload your video and start sharing the links to people, then you're teaching the algorithm that whenever you upload your video, you're the one who will be recommending the video and sharing the link to people for them to watch. And YouTube will never recommend your video, and this will even hurt your future videos. So please always wait for 1 to 2 hours before you start sharing the link. So maybe I've left some things out that you as a creator do to help you get more views. Please write them in the comment section. I believe that will help many other creators. And thank you so much for watching. My name is Carol, and I'll always give you the best tips to help you grow faster here on YouTube. And also let me know what you've learned through this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You'll always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much, and until the next video, God bless your YouTube journey.